In this video, we are going to talk about Merlin AI, an AI tool that can change the way you work online. It's an all-in-one AI extension that can help you with many things. Are you ready to make your online life easier? Stay tuned to find out if Merlin is the right tool for you. So, what exactly is Merlin? Think of it as your very own magic helper for the internet. It's a smart tool that you add to your computer's browser like Chrome. Once you have it, Merlin is there to help you on any website you visit. Need to write an email? Merlin can help. Want to understand a long article quickly? Merlin can summarize it for you. It uses powerful AI like the technology behind ChatGPT to give you answers, create content, and so much more. You get access to many different AI models all in one place. This means you don't have to switch between different websites or apps. It's designed to save you a lot of time and make you more productive. Imagine having a super smart assistant ready to help you with just a click. That's Merlin for you. Now let's dive into the top features of Merlin. First up is its ability to give you access to multiple AI models. This is a game changer. Instead of being stuck with just one AI, Merlin lets you choose from the best ones out there, like ChatGPT 4, Claude, and Gemini. Why is this so amazing? Because different AIs are good at different things. One might be great for creative writing, while another is better for analyzing data. With Merlin, you have the flexibility to switch between them depending on your task. You don't need to pay for multiple subscriptions to different AI services. Merlin combines them all into one affordable plan. This feature alone can save you a lot of money and hassle. It's like having a whole team of AI experts at your fingertips. You can experiment and find the perfect AI for any job. This is what makes Merlin so powerful and versatile. Next, let's talk about content creation and summarization. This is where Merlin truly shines and can save you hours of work. Are you a student who needs to read a long research paper? Merlin can summarize it into key points in just a few seconds. Do you need to watch a long YouTube video for a project? Merlin can give you a summary of the video's content so you can get the information you need without watching the whole thing. But that's not all. Merlin is also a fantastic writing assistant. It can help you write professional emails, creating engaging social media posts, and even help you write blog articles. You can ask it to generate ideas, write a draft, or even improve your existing text. It's like having a professional writer and editor by your side 24/7. This feature is perfect for students, marketers, and anyone who creates content online. The third feature is the real-time answers and search integration. How many times have you searched for something on Google and had to open multiple links to find the answer? With Merlin, that's a thing of the past. When you search in Google, Merlin provides a summarized answer right on the search results page. This saves you so much time because you get the information you need at a glance. But what if you are already on a website and have a question? You don't have to open a new tab and search. You can simply ask Merlin, and it will give you a real-time answer based on the content of the page or its vast knowledge. This seamless integration into your browsing experience makes research faster and more efficient. You can stay focused on your task without getting distracted by endless searching. It's a smarter way to find information online. Coming in at number 4 is Merlin's cross-platform availability. In today's world, we use multiple devices and we want our tools to work everywhere. Merlin understands this perfectly. It's not just a Chrome extension. It's also available as a web app and on your iOS and Android devices. This is a huge advantage because your AI assistant is with you wherever you go. Your chat history and custom features are synchronized all across your devices. So you can start a conversation with Merlin on your computer and continue it on your phone while you're on the go. This makes it incredibly convenient to use. Whether you're working at your desk, commuting, or relaxing on your couch, Merlin is always there to help. This cross platform support ensures that you can be productive no matter what device you're using. It's a feature that truly adapts to your modern lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the main disadvantage. While Merlin is packed with amazing features, it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. Because it can do so much, there is a learning curve to understanding all of its capabilities. When you first start using it, you might feel like there are too many options and buttons. Finding your way around the interface and figuring out how to best use all the different AI models can take some time. Some users have described the tool as feeling a little bloated because it has so many features packed into one extension. If you are looking for a very simple, single purpose AI tool, Merlin might feel like too much. However, if you are willing to spend a little time learning the tool, this disadvantage turns into a huge advantage because of how powerful it is. So, how much does all this magic cost? Merlin's pricing is actually one of its most attractive features. They offer a very generous free plan that gives you 102 queries every day. This is great for casual users who want to try out the tool. But if you want to unlock the full power of Merlin, the Pro plan is very affordable. It costs just $19 per month, and this price gives you access to all the different AI models. When you think about how much it would cost to subscribe to each of these AI services separately, Merlin offers incredible value. It's a cost effective way to get the best of the AI world in one simple subscription. So, who is Merlin for? Merlin is designed for a wide range of people who want to be more productive online. If you are a student, it can be your best friend for research, summarizing lectures, and writing assignments. For marketers and content creators, it's a powerful tool for generating ideas and writing copy. Entrepreneurs can use it to brainstorm, write emails, and save time on daily tasks. Even developers can benefit from it by getting help with coding problems. Essentially, if you spend a lot of time online for work or study, Merlin can help you do the things faster and better. It's for anyone who wants to leverage the power of AI to make their life easier. In conclusion, Merlin is a very impressive AI tool. It's packed with features that can genuinely save you time and boost your productivity. The access to multiple AI models in one place is a huge advantage. While it might take a little time to learn, the power it gives you is well worth the effort. If you want to try it out, I've left a link in the description below. Using our link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.